Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am installing my new custom taillights and fourth brake light. I have been getting these taillights done for a good while now and have been waiting for them and planning on this for a while, and I'm just so excited because I finally have them with me. I currently have the Valentis on, and don't get me wrong, like I love those lights and I think they make the car look so much better. But I wanted a little something different. I wanted to add some spice, you know? These were a lot of work. Honestly, this is not something I can ever do. Like, it's a lot of wiring. Like, I'm gonna put some pictures up that I received when Lonzo was making these. It was a lot. It was more than it had to be, especially because I wanted to make them like customizable and color changing, so it made it even 10 times harder. But I am very excited. Like, and then I'm dropping off my car to get wrapped in like 3 days, so everything's just like coming together and it's just gonna look so good. Well, I think it's gonna look good. Let me show you guys the taillights because I'm sure you want to see. So here we got Lonzo's little logo. Lonzo works. He does a bunch of other stuff. Honestly, like, he could do anything you ask him. Like think of it and he could probably do it. He makes bash bars for like FRSs, 86s, and BRZs. So if you're looking for bash bar and you're in the IE area, make sure to hit him up or ask me and I'll ask him. A lot of stuff, and he took on this challenge for me. So I gave him this idea and he said it was gonna be a lot of work, and it definitely was. Like, it was a lot of work, but we have it here. We have them ready. So these are my little custom JDM looking taillights. So they are all hearts. It has one big heart and then 3 little hearts. And in order to do this, like, I had to buy the panel first, which had like the heart cutouts, but he did everything else to make these how I wanted. Definitely happy I went with this. There was another option that I was looking at, or like another design. I'm not sure if these have been done before, like for FRSs or whatever. You know, these are very popular in like RX-7s, which I love. My favorite car probably. So I definitely wanted to keep that little JDM look. Like, I love this. Like, I'm in love with this, and they're gonna look so good on in the daytime when they're on the car. Like, they look like little diamonds and they sparkle, and I'm just like in love with this. Like this is all I can ask in a taillight. I have always wanted heart taillights. Like, that has always been my goal to get, is some heart taillights. So I'm really glad that I got to customize these and kind of make them my own. And yeah, I believe no one has them. If someone does, then I'm twinning with somebody. So this was all I had asked him to do for me, and he obviously delivered. He did such a great job. Like, he put in that work for this. I also have all the wiring harnesses and stuff. Like, there's a lot. Like, I don't know how I'm going to figure this out, because like, this is just like something different for me. Like, I, like, for some reason have such a hard time when it comes to wires. Like, I just like can't wrap my head around it, and like, I don't know, like, I can do it. Like, when I did my VLANs, that was hard for me. So imagine all of this. Yeah. That's that. It comes with the little remote. It's also gonna have Bluetooth, so like, if I don't have the remote, I could just change it on my phone. Anyways, back to what I was saying is, I had only asked him to do the taillights for me, and like I said, he delivered, did a great job. But he went in. This is so cool. He didn't show me like the process of the taillights because he wanted me to be surprised, and I was. Like, once I saw them, I was like, oh my god, they look so good. And he threw in another little surprise for me, and I was just like, I have been needing and wanting an aftermarket fourth brake light, because just like, this doesn't go like at all. Now that I have these taillights, I was still gonna have the stock like fourth brake light, and it just wasn't gonna look good. So he thought about that, and he was just like, I wonder if she's getting one. He went in and made me a custom fourth brake light as well that matches the taillights, and I'm just like, what the heck? Is like next level. So just like, imagine this is my fourth brake light. It's gonna match so perfect with my taillights. Like it's just like a whole set. I love that this looks like rhinestones and like little jewels. Like, you know, I'm all about that. So to me, this is ideal. But it has the same little LED heart as the taillights. Like, this is just mind-blowing. Shout out to Lonzo. Make sure you go follow him. I'm gonna leave his stuff down below and just like up here, like, if you need anything. But let's just go and get these on. I don't think it's gonna be really a step-by-step tutorial, because I don't think any other taillights are ever gonna have the same like wiring as this. So I don't know, I'll probably just give you guys a little time lapse or a little like thing, but definitely you guys should stay until the end to see how these look, and I'll show you guys at night how it looks. Let's just go and put these on. Let me show you guys the taillights before. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen it. I have a whole video of when I got these, so like if you want to check out that video, I'll leave it linked down below. This is the taillights, these are the Valentis, and the only feature these have is like you get to choose if they're sequential or not. So that's basically it. It's not in all the way, but this is gonna look so good when they're on. And just like in general, really dreading doing the fourth brake light, but might as well do it, I guess. Look at the mess of my trunk that I have made. I have like everything shoved back there, but Lonzo's literally explaining everything to me step by step.
Many hours later,
I think you are ready to see the reveal. Okay, there's not really much of a reveal because you already saw them in the daytime, but I'll show you a little bit of what is happening. So basically, there's just a lot of wiring going on. Like these little boxes are up here. You got the Lonzo Works logo he put on. It honestly looks cool. All the wires are getting connected through here, and like everything's ran down here and through the little box, and it's just like, I don't know, it's a lot. Not really something I can explain, to be honest with you, but I know, so exciting. These are so amazing. Here it is. They're a little bit smudged. I'm gonna clean them after, but I was like touching them and everything, so let me show you with the app. So I can change it to green. Here's green. We do a whole bunch of colors, like kind of mix them together and stuff, but here you go. You got your classic red, green, blue. The blue ones are so nice, honestly. Like they look really good. He made this little box that tells you what color it is on. When you click it, you get to see what color is in the back, because sometimes like you might click, like I've already done it, like literally right now I thought I was on blue, but it turned to like a blue green. It's more important to know like when you are driving, because you don't want to get pulled over for having a different color that's not red. Like red is the color you should be having. Yeah, so you see blue, and if I were to change the color right now, this little remote, it just has all the bunch of different colors, and then you can kind of sync it with music. There's like different modes, and they have like a bunch of different modes on the app too, so like there's just like some things to play with. So I'll show you guys some of the different modes as well, but put it in red right now. So then I would check the little box and it would turn red. It's just gonna be really helpful to have up here, and especially for me, I am such an overthinker, so like I could put it in red, but I'll still have it in my mind like maybe it's not red, maybe it's not red, and I'll probably get off every single time to make sure it's on red. This is really handy. I'm really glad he thought of this, like to put, so it does run all the way from the back, so the wire is just kind of like chilling everywhere. I am gonna find like a little way to hide it and just tuck it in under everything and just kind of have it chilling up here with me. So yeah, so right now it's red. Let's go see if it's actually red. So here you go. Here's red. Yes, my car is so dirty, I know. I'm inside of a garage right now, but I wanted to show you what they look like. Yeah, I never showed what the fourth brake light looks like, so here it is, and it just looks so good together. really came out really, really good. I'll show you guys like a further shot. So here it is. It's looking like. There's a lot of like glare, but I like when they're off, I like when they're on. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about it. When I am driving and trying to switch lanes, and I chose this one. In the little boxes that I showed earlier, you can actually choose what kind of blinkers. So there's like sequential, there's this one, and I believe there's like 2 more different ones, and I can also choose what kind of brake I want. Honestly, like go in and figure out what I want, but I kind of like these, like because it just kind of goes like 1 1 1. Like I don't know, I think they look cool, but I mean obviously if I get tired of them I can always switch it out, like literally with just like a flip switch. So I'm kind of debating between this and the sequentials, so I don't know. Kind of like them. Can't really show because I closed the garage, but it will do it for any color as well. Honestly, the blue is probably my favorite. Like I really like the blue a lot, and blue's not even my favorite color, but I just think they look so good in the taillights. Honestly, like if you need anything, like just DM him or DM me and I'll ask him. And yeah, he does a lot of stuff, like a lot more than you can think of. Tomorrow I'll just put in some more clips so you can see them in the daytime and like kind of more together, since I was just kind of in a rush. Like it was getting late. It got late, like it's super dark, but you know what I mean? So I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video and love the taillights as much as me. By the time you see this video, I will probably have already dropped off my car, so be excited because that is going to be my next video, my car reveal and what color I chose. And I'm going to be getting everybody's reactions, all my friends, my families. I just want to like document what they say. Like, be on the lookout for my next video because I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this and I'm just so pumped. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.